So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Overall, I'm seeing that somebody wants to definitely balance things out with you. Oh, but they're afraid you're not going to take their offer. That's why they're hoping you're staying optimistic about them, because they already know they screwed up bad, okay? This person messed up. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. But I'm seeing that this person definitely wants to speak their truth. Did y'all see how they just flipped out? Look, it's like they want to speak their truth to you because they do want to balance things out with you. And that's why I see them getting ready to take action. This person, they're coming out of being frustrated. But see, the way this just came out, they're nervous because they don't know if you even want to build with them anymore. So I see that they're going to make a decision. Yeah, you guys are receiving communication. Ooh, I heard switch. Look at that. It's 11:11. Okay, y'all. I feel like, so yeah, there's definitely a connection that you share with this other person. But I do feel like this person, they are listening to their angels. They're listening to their guides because their guides are pushing them to communicate to you. And it's like them speaking their truth. But they're feeling stuck right now. They don't know what exactly to say. What is balancing on my hand? See? They're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. I told you this person definitely messed up. Look how they just landed 11:11:11. See what I'm saying? This person, it's like, the thing is, they're being pushed to reach out to you, but something is blocking them. So I don't know, maybe if some of you block this person, it's like they're having a hard time getting through to you. For others of you, I feel like they're just blocking the connection themselves out of fear. You know, they're afraid of what you're going to say. See, this person definitely wants things to improve with you. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person is losing hope. You know, because, yeah, in the past, they were moving slow. But I'm seeing that things are getting ready to shift because they're going to come rushing in fast to heal your heart. They messed up, you know. See? And I told you, they're going to rush in fast, but I feel like some of them are taking their time trying to figure out, okay, what can I say? How can I fix this? Because, yeah, there could have been a third-party situation. Somebody could have been playing games, you know, with you and someone else. And, see, this is why they're afraid that you're not going to accept their offer at this point. See, Page of Cups tried to jump out of my hands. You're going to get an offer from them. I'm telling you. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. I do feel like this person, one, again, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. But, two, they got to put an end to another situation. You know, look at that. And that's a decision that they made because they do want to balance things out with you. Ooh, okay, well, come on out. Yeah, this person's coming out of being frustrated. Look at that. They want to turn things around with you. The seeds that they planted with you guys, they want them to grow. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but it's back and forth. It's like this person definitely wants to have a commitment with you, but they realize they're the reason why it didn't work out. See? They feel like you're going to judge them when they come back. Because they put themselves in a codependent situation. For some of you, this is like them having codependent behaviors. I do feel like, I'm going to say honestly, half of y'all. I'm picking up somebody is still in some type of relationship or commitment with someone else, and they have to make that decision. Because even kind of going back to the Lovers, it's like the way it came out, they know that they want to be with you, but they haven't got out of some type of situation that they were in. And whatever it is, it's like either he or she is codependent to this other person, or this other person is codependent to your person. You get what I'm saying? And that's the problem. See, I feel like they're going to come out of their head. They're going to stop overthinking things. And this is why they've been talking to somebody, you know, because I see them taking a leap. So they're making a decision. Tell me more. Yep, about some type of home or family situation. The thing is, they feel like they're supposed to be with you, but they feel like you don't want to put any more time or energy into them because they kept making bad decisions. See, and now they're going to have to focus on themselves, you know, and work really hard if they do want to have a new beginning with you. This person, they're not confused, guys. They know. They already know they want to be with you. Look at that. The King and the Queen of Pentacles. You see what I'm saying? For some of you, your person could be married, or you're married, or there's some type of like business dealing, contract, you know, somebody's, you know, that could be the codependent situation. That's the problem, you know. And I feel like right now, this is why this person is solely focusing on themselves, trying to get themselves together before approaching you. Oh, y'all saw how that just flipped out all funny. Okay, so look, I got two kings here. So this is the problem. Y'all got another man coming in, okay? Oh, there's somebody else here. It could be another woman, so y'all already know how I feel about my court cards. It could be another woman, but regardless, I feel like they're saying, okay, he or she is not going to put any, more energy or any more time or effort into me because maybe they're dealing with somebody else. And if you're not, there's somebody else coming in. Because this person was over here dragging their feet. You just better have options, Virgo, okay? You just better, okay? Oh, y'all got options. Or you will soon. They don't want you to cut them off. I'm about to say, Lord, if I see the other one, like, Jesus. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but I'm feeling like this person, y'all have options coming in. Let me tell you. Hot girl summer ain't over. Okay, anyway. Y'all have options. I feel like this person knows it too. And like, remember I told you guys, some of you, if you're not married to this person, I do feel like for others of you, like this person's married or they're in some type of commitment and they're realizing you got other people swarming in, and they're like, I gotta hurry up and get myself out of this commitment or this marriage. See, this is them freeing themselves. This is them becoming single. Oh, they're confident. They can't lose you. See, I told you. I can't lose you. Nope, not doing it. But guess what? That's their justice. Because, see, they took too long making a decision. They went against their intuition. They wanted to keep playing games, dealing with somebody or moving forward with someone else, not, listening to their angels and their guides. They knew it was wrong, but they still did it anyway. So guess what? Now it opened the door for you to have other options coming in, and that's what I'm seeing here. Okay? So some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra, but I told you because of what they did in the past. This is the problem. And the thing is, they're over here moving slow because they got to make a decision. They have decisions to make. Look at that. Whatever situation that was they were holding on to from the past, I feel like it was hard for them to break free. I'm telling you, there is some type of like agreement or some type of like contract. I keep wanting to say like a bind. It's something there and they're needing to get out of it, and they are, because I see them making a change. There's a change coming in, but see, they're going to take a financial loss. There's this woman here. So, family. Okay, so I told you, if they're not married, somebody's in a commitment with someone else, they have a family with someone else, they're going to take a financial loss. There's going to be a loss here, with whoever else this other individual is that I'm picking up on, and that's the problem. This is why they were holding on, because they're like, okay, I didn't want to leave this person, because if I leave them, I'm going to have to cough over, I'm going to have to pay something, or I'm the main person that takes care of, whether it's somebody I'm in a relationship with or family, but right now they're afraid, because they lost you. This is what they're thinking in their mind. I can't win him or her back. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Yep, look, I told you. Look at this. It's two women. And whoever they were dealing with, they were in some type of toxic situation. I told you, it's codependent, hands down. When this card jumped out, my eyes went to the chain. I'm telling you, it's like I told you, it was like, I kept hearing binding. Like they couldn't break free from this person. So it's like you had no choice but to cut them off. And see, now they're afraid you're done with them for good. Like, you're going to walk away from them if they come back and speak their truth to you. They're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. They can't move forward. You see how that landed on top of this other woman? I told you, this is the other person they're dealing with. They cannot move forward because they're still having to wrap up some type of karmic lesson. Yep. They can't move forward with you just yet. See, didn't I just say they can't move forward? They can't. Some of them, maybe they live with this person. Could be dealing with a Cancer. See, there's the sun. Why is the sun here? Okay, but the thing is, they want happiness with you. They want a commitment with you, excuse me. They want to be with you, but they can't. Somebody's holding on to them for money. So the only thing that they can do is just watch you from a distance. They can't do anything else but just to keep tabs on what you're doing. And for some of y'all petty, y'all like it. Y'all probably got y'all social media all wide open. Y'all probably friends with this person. Okay, I'm gonna let you see. Let me show you me living my best life during COVID-19. That's for some of y'all. So anyway, I feel like this, oh my gosh, this person is afraid. They don't know what to do. And look, when it comes to you. Some of you guys could be dealing with another Virgo, but the fact that I have 2 9s here, this cycle that's been going on between you guys for a long time is done. It's like, no, they know they can't do this with you anymore. See, and that's why they're going through a Tower moment. Yeah, y'all, if this isn't Virgo, if this is not you dealing with someone else and this is what they're going through, this is somebody dealing with a Virgo. You get what I'm saying? Because somebody's going through a Tower moment right now. They're going through lessons. Look at that. Now this person is afraid that things may not improve with you. So even though they're frustrated, they're clearing away obstacles. See, the obstacle is getting out of a third-party situation. I told you. Okay, so this person's finally making some type of move. Okay, but the thing is, they're sad. Somebody's upset right now because, look, they want to give you the offer now, but they can't. They can't. Look, they're waiting around. It's something with money. Somebody's waiting for something to come in, and that's the situation. They can't. See, they want to have a victory with you, but something is blocking it. Like, they can't move forward just yet. See, and they know that they left you out in the cold, and I'm seeing that they want to talk to you. You're going to get communication from them, but right now they're frustrated and they're feeling stuck because for some of you, this person, it's like they're the official person. They have to take care of someone else or other people, or that's their responsibility. When it comes to you, they're holding on to the regret, you know, that everything that they put you through, they messed up. See, could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody's going to have the strength to come towards you because you are their blessing. You know, you're someone who's very passionate, very fiery. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. There's a lot of fire here. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But the thing is, I feel like this person knows that because they didn't balance things out with you and they were being, I just heard cocky. Somebody could have been being very cocky, feeling like, you know, they made the right decision. You ain't nothing, blah, 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 whoop-de-whoop. You know, this caused some issues, and that's why they're holding on to, why did I say that? Why did I treat him or her this way? Because ultimately, like, they want to have a family with you. They messed up. See? But right now, things aren't improving for them financially. See, they're going to have to cough up some money. I'm telling y'all, somebody's coughing up some money. Somebody either has a family with someone else, or they're taking care of family, and the Tower moment the karma is basically them getting hit in the pockets. Okay, well, you didn't listen? All right, we're going to make stuff real tight for you right now. Figure it out. So, this is what's going on. Tell me more. Yeah, see? They stabbed you in the back, and they want to heal things with you. And the fact that it landed here next to the other 10, that lets me know there's going to be an ending to the situation that they're in because they want to fix it with you. So, this one's a little... This one's interesting. This is interesting. For some of you guys, I'm not gonna. This is still gonna take some time. That's why I always tell y'all. I don't care what I say about the past person coming back. Like, keep moving, keep it moving. All right, Virgo. So they're saying that you gotta make a decision. You're back and forth with the High Priestess. It's like 1 minute you're listening to your intuition, but the next minute you're not. Tell me more. Y'all, it's like, okay, you guys aren't moving forward, but I feel like there's something you're not learning here. There's a lesson in this for you. Tell me more. Okay, they're needing you to have the strength. Ooh, I just saw the 8 of Cups. I feel like they're saying they need you to walk away. I really feel like for a lot of you guys, if you're holding on, you're waiting, they're like, You know, if you're entertaining this person and you know this person is in another situation, they're saying, don't do that. Walk away. They need to figure it out. You know, I feel like they're saying things will improve for you. I see happiness coming in for you, Virgo. Tell me more. They're saying right now, I feel like a lot of you guys, y'all are bosses, okay? It's like, that's why they're saying have the strength, keep your head up, move forward. You know, I see a lot of you guys coming out of this energy of, you know, feeling sad. Like, why did I talk to this person and leave my, you know, deal with this person or whatever? See? Some of you guys could honestly have taken some type of financial hit, or you're feeling like you're going to take a financial loss. Maybe this person is very manipulative, but I feel like overall you're just not happy with how things played out between the two of you. But Spirit is saying you will have your victory. Okay. But for some of you, you're afraid to make a move. That's why it's like you're not moving forward. See, it's like you're not positive how this is going to play out. Maybe some of you guys aren't positive on how you're going to get out of this situation. Because some of you guys, I'm going to be honest with you, you're dealing with a master manipulator, okay? They like to play games. See, there's your card. So I feel like a lot of you guys are just starting to isolate yourself from this person and maybe even from other people. You know, it's like you're trying your best to come out of being frustrated. But yeah, I'm telling y'all are focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your money. You're not really worried about it. But see, you are... Y'all going back and forth. Lord. Okay. So, it's like you're trying to do what you have to do. You're trying to focus on yourself, focusing on your finances, but you're frustrated because you feel like you really lost this person. See, there's an ending. Yeah, there's definitely an ending here. If you haven't put an end to it, there needs to be some type of ending because I feel like this is a part of your journey. Some of you guys are going through a spiritual awakening. Look at that. They're saying let it go. You gotta let this go. And when you let it go, I'm seeing there's an offer coming in for you, Virgo. Ooh, and you're going to be moving forward with this offer? Okay. Okay. Give me 5 more. I can't believe that was a cliffhanger. Let me see. Clarify the chariot reverse. Excuse me, the chariot. Look at, oh. You see that? There is a commitment coming in for you, Virgo. There is a commitment. Oh my gosh. Okay. I feel like you guys, by letting this other person go, you're realizing the truth, you know, and you're cutting communication. You're like, you know what, I don't have time for this. I don't have time. You're wanting a family. You're wanting to have a future, but see, with this other person, you feel like they're sneaky. I cannot leave y'all like that. I'm going to give y'all 5 more. Hold on. You feel like they're sneaky. Okay. And you're losing hope at this point. Yep, you don't see yourself having a happy home. For some of y'all are married. I feel like you're married to this person. That's why they're saying it's time to let them go, because once you let them go and you start doing what you have to do, I feel like somebody else, the person that you're meant to be with, they're going to come in. For those of you that aren't married to this person, I feel like they're saying they just want you to let the situation go and move on with your life. Because see, right now, by you holding on to them, and whatever that means to you, things aren't turning around for you. See, and you're having a hard time. Y'all having a hard time letting this go. But look at that. Spirit is saying there's an offer coming in. Now, I just have to tell y'all. So, for some of you guys, it could be this other person, the one that I've been picking up on, they're going to come back and give you an offer. And it's the one that you deserve. But others of you, I feel like it's somebody else. You have somebody else coming in to give you an offer. Look at that. And they just want you to heal. Because they want you to know things will improve for you. Whether it's with this person that I'm picking up on or someone new. But it's so many of you. It's different situations. Take it however it fits for you. But regardless, I see that they're saying they need you to move on. Move on. You know, I feel like if you cut ties, put your foot down, walk away from this person, if you're meant to be with them, they're going to come back and they're going to come back correct, and they're going to have to really fight to prove themselves to you. Because remember, I told you I saw somebody else coming in for you. Okay? That was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, guys enjoyed it. Please, guys enjoyed it. Please, guys enjoyed it. Please, guys enjoyed it.